This is all breaking open, and this should be repaired. I don't think it's oxidation. Yeah, maybe it is oxidation and reinforcement steel there. So repairing this whole area right here, excavating, moving these decorative rocks out of the way, for sure making a repair there. As we come around the corner, it gets a little bit better. There are vertical breaks in the foundation here, which is signs of settlement. Signs of settlement is caused by water and moisture. 10-pound bowling ball on top of mud. I am going to suggest rain gutters on here. 6-inch aluminum seamless with brackets. Then we get around the corner here, and this is what J-bolts or anchor bolts that hold down this bottom plate here in this area. They expand and break this area out. That's what they look like. So it'd be this one. Then the next one as well is coming apart, and we chip out everything that's chipping, cracking, and flaking, clean off that anchor bolt the best that we can, and then install epoxy 2-component rust inhibitor, and then structural grout patch back, and this will be excavated and waterproof and painted. Here, this is oxidized rebar in here. There's crack down here and separating up here as well. So this interior steel seems like it's just breaking the side out. So this area, probably to that location right there, very small, short area, needs to be repaired. We cut out the steel, replace it with new steel, encapsulated with epoxy rust inhibitor. I don't think this is going to be an issue here on this corner. There is a vertical break and another one real close to it, but somebody's put this border along here, and nothing wrong with it. I see that, you know, the paint's peeling off back in there. Just enough moisture back here to get underneath the paint. I don't think there's an issue there. It just kind of looks like crap at the moment. Then I'll move this back out of the way. Now I'll just explain this. So this material or whatever, patch, brick, whatever this is right here, is just separating from the wall. It looks like a crack. It is not a crack. But this has been patched over before, and it seems like it's adhered and staying on. And so they went over top of this, and that's what we're seeing, the separation here. So this is just moving a little bit, separating here. It's not actually a horizontal cracked oxidized rebar. It just looks that way, but it is not. And this is where the water line was. This is some real light material that floats on top of water. So, and this is, geez, maybe three inches to, maybe 3 inches up here. So there's 3 inches of water next to this home, and it saturates down. It only has to go down another 12, 13 inches or so, and the soil's holding this side up. So if this side is moving, we'll have these vertical breaks, and we will get a separation at the weakest joints, doorways, windows, and thresholds, which is indicated here. So there's enough evidence to suggest 6-inch aluminum seamless rain gutters with good downspouts. And then dirt grading is another method to make improvements. That's what I would recommend as well. Over here there's a pipe on the other side of this wall. It's kind of popping out. Efflorescent salt deposit is deposited behind the paint, peeling it off, no big deal. We'll fix that just like we would like an anchor bolt. Then we get here. This horizontal crack is oxidized rebar, and it goes just to that corner. It doesn't go around. I didn't see that it continued past that location right there. So we go past at least 24 inches, 2 feet to make our repair. We excavate, move the dirt back, put tarps down, excavate the dirt, chip out everything that's chipping, cracking, and flaking, and then we remove that steel. We cut it. We stop the low voltage electrical current running through it, replace it with new number 4.5-inch rebar, epoxy coated, and then structural grouted back into place out to a smooth paintable surface. It'll look pretty. Then we waterproof and paint it. Use supplies for the exterior house paint, and we'll take care of it. Put the dirt back, decorative rocks back into place, done and warranty. That's the project. That's all I saw. For more information, contact James, 602-418-2970, or you can always go to concreterepairman.com for more information. And be careful to watch out for the landmines.